Hi there. Welcome to Ink, Lead, Paper, and Thread. Today, what I wanted to do is show you the spreads I had made in my planner for July and August. Now, I made these, both of them back in July. The last kind of like plan with me video where I show the last spread that I did, that was also a July spread, but I have the Ultimate Achievers Planner that's made by Clever Fox. Basically, that's like a 13-week planner that is designed to help you achieve your goals, like specific goals that you have. And so since it is a 13-week planner, you do need to refresh it, obviously after every 13 weeks. And so the last spread that I did, like I said, it was July, but it was like half of like a few weeks into July. So then when I went to set up my new planner, because that's where my last planner ended, to set up my new planner, I had to do another partial July spread and then a full August spread. So that's what you'll see in today's video. And that's also why you'll see that the July doesn't look like it's totally full, because it's only like, if you go look at my other July spread, which I'll put a link to that down below, you'll see that that's like half of July, and then this other one is the other half of July. So anyway, so I know that, the autumn equinox is not until September 22nd. So we have, another couple weeks till that happens. But whenever September 1st comes along, I always feel like that's the end of summer, I think I somehow still associate that with, school starting, and so it just feels like summer's over. Plus, in the region where I live, it does actually start to cool down, in September. Like the other night, it was 55 degrees. So, I'm trying to say goodbye to summer, I guess, with this video, and just show the spreads that I did use for summer. And so my kind of inspiration for my spreads in this newer planner that I'm using, the inspiration is kind of just sweet shop, like candy shop, not just candy though, kind of just like sweet shop, or just like sweets. So like to me that kind of includes, pastries, candy, delicious tea, even like flowers, anything that I think is sweet. That just kind of was my inspiration for these spreads. Sometimes in other other Clever Fox Ultimate Achievers planners that I've used like stickers. But I've also used kind of cutouts from magazines, and that's actually what I'm doing in this planner. I'm doing mostly cutouts from magazines, or catalogs, magazines, stuff like that. Lots of catalogs, just because I like, I thought it'd be perfect because there's so many like sweets and stuff in catalogs. And so I like doing that just because, it's kind of like the frugal way to go about it. I don't have to spend extra money on like, stickers with sweets, which I do have to say, the funny thing is I do have a number of sticker sheets with like sweets and candies and cakes and stuff like that, but I didn't want to use them all up for my, just on like one spread. So, and plus there are just so many cute images in, like I said, in catalogs. So wanted to do that. I kind of used a mix of stickers, but then mostly cutouts. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. And I hope you enjoy. Now let's get started. Alrighty, let's get started with the July spread then. The colors that I really wanted to go with, kind of like the color scheme for July, I wanted to do pinks and reds, so I tried to stick with mostly those colors. And you will see that in the actual planner, I had already started working in this planner, like, using it when I was in the middle of doing my July spread. And so I did block off the calendar portion with some sticky notes, just because for the purposes of the video, just because there was some private information. I had like private appointments and stuff I had written, and like actually one person's phone number I think was written in there. I might have erased it, I can't remember, but yeah, that's why you'll see there's like sticky notes blocking that off. So yeah, I had a lot of fun making this, so yeah, let's do it. Okay, so on to the August spread. For this spread, I wanted to do more of a kind of a pastel sort of sherbet color scheme. So, you're going to see a lot of, pale orange, some peach, and then some chartreuse and some kind of like a melon green, sort of like a, melon sorbet type of green, sort of these, sherbet color schemes. So, all right, so let's do it. that's all for today. So if you like this, please feel free to leave a comment and give it a thumbs up. And also, I'm going to be making more videos like this, so please feel free to subscribe. Okay, take care. Bye.